Hello, my name is Felix Garcia. I'm a beekeeper. I'm going to show you how to use the alcohol watch to sample for Varroa mites. We have the sampling equipment ready. The idea behind the sampling is to take about 300 adult bees from the colony, then use alcohol or windshield wiper fluid to separate the mites from the adult bees. The Varroa mites is the most destructive pest that all the beekeepers need to pay attention. The mites make you bee sick, transmit virus, and are the biggest contributor to colony death. Sample will give you better idea of that you have a real issue with the mites. I found a frame with glue to something. You just need to make sure the queen isn't there. Return here to colony if it's found. I'm going to shake the bees off into the metal sheet. In case if no find the queen, I can check one more time. I'm taking half cup bees, which is about 300. Make sure the cup is full and put it into the jar with alcohol. Rinse at least 3 times to get the mites off. Use a fine mesh strainer to filter the alcohol and reuse multiple times. More than 3 mites in the spring and more than 6 to 9 mites in the summer or fall is a problem. Thank you for your attention.